Hi, and welcome back to my channel.
No, I ain't done. Feel free to start over.
Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. Hey Jen, thanks for watching your first video out of 150 of my videos. Alright, so for Christmas, I got my sister the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Because it's pretty, everyone seems to like it, and I thought it was easy colors she could use. She's a photographer, and I just thought it'd be something easy she could throw on and go shoot some people with her camera. And just, I really liked it. Although, I think after I told her that they had a purple palette, the Norvino, which technically only has like 2 purple shades, so don't be too mad. I think she was pissed I didn't get her that one. But I thought she could use this one easier and better. I don't know. This is what I got her. And I also told her that for Christmas, I would make her a tutorial on a look to do with it. So that's what I did today on January 3rd. So it's not that far after Christmas, I guess. Whatever. But anyway, so this is the eye look. I did like a halo eye. I don't know if she knows how to do. I don't really know how her makeup situation is, what she has. I really doubt she has all this shit. But she might. I don't know. I don't think so. But she might. But she didn't have this, so I got her this. And this is a halo eye. And if you're going to see how to do this, keep on watching. Love you, Sizzle. Real quick. Me and my sister call each other Sizzle because we're silly. And we got real into saying for Rizzle, for Shizzle. And she's my sister. So sister in Snoop Dogg is Sizzle. So she's my Sizzle. And yeah. Everything is Sizzle. It's kind of funny. I don't know. Even if it's not, I don't really give a fuck. I think it's cool. My sister's my Sizzle. That's it. Oh, and my kids call her Aunt Sizzle, which is really cool. I think that's cool. I'm Aunt Sissy. That doesn't sound very good. Do you know they call me Sissy?
Huh?
Do you know they call me Aunt Sissy?
You know I called you Aunt Sissy.
I know. Sissy's not very nice. I mean, I know it's sister.
I'm calling you a sissy. They're just calling you sissy.
Anyway, so, yeah. Here you go, Jen. I made you an eye look with this. So first, I'm going to put down this tempera shade all over my lid, over my eyeshadow base. So first, I'm going to put down this tempera shade all over my lid, over my eyeshadow base.
Worse than dying was dying twice, because it's like, fuck, I got brought back. I'm really not trying to die again, because if I die again, I'm fucked. I don't want to see him.
Now I'm going to put worn taupe in my crease with this end and then blend it out with this end. Now I'm going to go in with this Real Gar over that, my crease, and on the side and my inner corner. With this part, and then I'm going to blend it with this. I'm going to put it with this side of the brush in my crease, blend it, and then do the side and the inner corner, and leave the middle blank with the small end. Now I'm going to go in the Cypress Umber and put it over the Real Gar shade. And now I'm going to take Bon Fresco and blend it the top part of that crease shade. And I'm going to put glitter glue in the middle where there's no shadow. I don't know if Jenny has glitter glue. You don't need it if you don't, Jen. But and then I'm going to put Primavera over that glitter glue. I'm going to do the rest of my face and my eyeliner, my eyebrows and all that shit. And I'll be back to finish up my eyes. I put Real Gar and then the Cypress Umber on my bottom lash line and blended them together. I put them on there with this little one and I blended them with this big one. And then in my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to put Vermeer. And then I'll put on mascara and lips, and I'll be back. So this is the finished look, and I will insert pictures of it close up. Because I turned the lights on because it's 2 o'clock and it's getting dark already. It's like 4:30, I don't know. It's still getting 5 o'clock. Shut the fuck up. 5 o'clock and it's getting dark already because it's winter. So I had to turn the light on. But I'll take pictures close up and insert them. So thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps, Jenny. If you don't like a halo eye, sorry. Do fucking something else. Watch another tutorial. Fuck off. I don't know. This is just an idea you can do. Let me know if you want something different. Sizzle. I'll make it for you. Alright, love you. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.
Love you?